Alright, wanna listen to this real quick.
But if we want to go goal, we can speak of many Charley Black sell goal. Crane.
No, no live. I tell you honest truth, I love. I get coffee. When I done this, a champagne not all. You soon see man come on with the chair and ask me more. Foota. You make me there, you know, Foota, you know, my life. Foota, I don't see a chop on a chain in a Foota. Be a plane and carry a drive. I'm the ambassador for a front line train. But white line, sorry. My Foota. Bossy Kelly. I'm a team and staff group, members and friends and all Simone. I don't know live my life. I don't come to Florida, I don't know my life. I tell me about not chop on chain. Good food. I don't know live my life.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We are blessed. You know, so another story incomplete of King Mix Up in on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, Charley Blacks have had things for Foota Hype. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because honestly, I don't know what Foota Hype said bad about Charley. In fact, I think he was giving Foota Hype his ratings for selling gold, you know what I mean? As you know, the king of dancehall is a trending topic, and as I said yesterday, I don't know what people is quarreling about, and there is no criteria for who is the king, so that's why I say the people them for decide. You know what I mean? And they're saying Vybz KarteL, but Foota Hype is saying Yellow Man is king and Vybz KarteL ain't nothing but a world boss and a teacher. Just like Beenie Man is just a doctor, and Bounty Killer should definitely not be lowering his standards to talk on this king argument. But speaking about Bounty Killer, he did lower his standards according to Foota Hype. But anyway, Bounty said what defines a true leader of a kingdom is what he gives to the people or what he gains from the people. Food for thought. Y'all can go ahead and debate it. No. Somebody said one dancehall Godzilla, you know, one general, one Mr. Jamaica. And like I said, you know, if the people is the one that gave you your crown, you should respect the people. Them know when them say it's time to go. You see what I said?
This king thing I get out of hand, you know. This king thing I get out of hand. Everybody I take this king thing too serious. I do not think Bounty Killer must at any at all place himself in this king conversation. Because you are already the god for the ground. A king is not as great as a god. So just your name alone, Bounty Killer, sets you above and apart from everybody. Cartel, the teacher. A name we use already, I think, by Early B, but it no matter, you can be the teacher. Beenie Man, the doctor. Yellow Man, the king. Alright? The reason why me say that now, I'm going to listen to me, people, because I'm not beg no friend. No time at all. We not beg friend. We just speak it as how it is and as how it should be. Mega end all other king conversation. Bob Marley is the king of reggae. Alright? Bob Marley is the king of reggae. Hands down. Bob Marley passed away in the flesh. Zine. Here comes Dennis Brown. Why wasn't Dennis Brown proclaimed to be the new king? Why nobody never say, oh, Dennis Brown are the new king and Bob Marley time up and ray. It don't work like that. Dennis Brown did have to hold a prince status. And if you look on it today, Zane, Dennis Brown is the prince And you have whole heap of reggae artists who come big. You have Luciana, you have Chronix, them, you have so many. You hear none of them and say them are Prince? You hear any of them saying they are Prince? Or you not hear Burning Spear cuss say him are the king of reggae now and Bob dead all long and very. Come on, bro. Certain status you have to leave. Or you not hear Berry Sawar say him are the king of reggae. It's stupidity, bro. It nah make no sense. It nah make no sense. Certain status have to leave where there. Berries is the living legend. You know, here Berries I get up and say, "Oh, I'm me the king of reggae now. Bob dead too much years and look how much things me come do and come on, like leave this king thing alone. Yellow Man is the king. Him still alive, him still active. You understand what I say? So let's quell this king thing. Cause if we are going to be honest and look upon it, you know, if Killer feel lower him standards, for be in the king argument, to me, based on Killer input, him dominance, him content, or him defend people and him musical content of the representative of poor people, ghetto people, him have girl song, him have all kind of song. And Killer boss the most artists in the game. Killer is the revolving door for talent in a dancehall. I would, this is not bias neither, you know. I would have to give it to Bounty Killer. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that king thing, it needs to stop. It needs to stop. Yellow Man is the king. Yellow Man is still alive and active and a lockdown show all board. This war about this king thing needs to stop. You understand what I say? As me say, big up Muscle from New York where do entertainment report. Muscle, you see, as journalist, I want to start do some real research. Because I have an idea of the thing, you know. But you know, really, I don't like how the sun, you know, that. I don't see myself good, you know. You don't see me good? Let me change my location. Hold on. I can change this location, yeah. And see if the phone, I don't like how the sun glare up my thing. So it feel look. Hold on, people, let me park properly. Yes, people, you can see me better now. So, Muscle, I like your program, and I like say you interview the people when them come to Canada and thing. But I don't want you to be like the two low frequency people on the fix and the next idiot boy on the do the couch. Because them don't do them homework. Zine, me see you give Bounty Killer and flowers and you speak about scare them. You have to know that scare them wasn't only Harry Toddler, Elephant Man, Boom Dynamite and Nitty Kochi. There was Daily Bread and there was Bramwell and there was Angel Doulas. You have to know the real history. Zine, me hear you speak. Me not bash you know, Muscle. Me give you some information because me see say you know understand the full realm of the alliance thing. And you miss out some parts. So I just I tell you some look at it. You have all our Killer do great and establish the artist them, but you have to remember, say Killer never do it by himself. The selector them do it too. So, me not like when you not talk the history and skip out Foota hype out of the history. Cause remember say, when Bounty are doing thing, you have Stone Love, you have Sky Juice, you have Metro Media, you have BSADC, you have Renaissance them, you understand? We help Project Killer thing wicked, but that a Bounty killer. When Bounty are run with Scare them, Zine, a still Bounty killer, there was no alliance. Then you have Tony Mataran now. Tony Mataran was a Bounty killer selector. BSADC was a Bounty killer sound. But you see when it reach alliance now, brother, I don't want you skip out my part of the history. And me do the greatest work as selector for alliance. Me are the only selector in a existence where people know a real alliance. Because Mataran was a Bounty killer selector, not an alliance selector. And Mataran end up a freelance for everybody. Jazzy T, Rate Killer, and everything Renaissance Rate Killer, but them freelance for everybody. Me are the only selector where alliance straight. Me are the only selector who was a part of alliance. Me hear you mention some artist named Muscle, and me bring them to alliance. Remember me busting more song for alliance. Remember no other selector wasn't alliance selector, but me. Me alone. Oh, black idiot. Alright, Gaga, thank you. Yeah, so when you not speak alliance history, be careful. Me not sit down. Let me tell you what me not go do. Me not go sit down and wait till Foota hype dead or Foota hype have dementia or something. And uno no, give me my glory. And me at the Alliance radio station. Half of the artists them were boss in the Alliance and me boss them. Them for respect Father Witty and Uptown Mondays and Foota hype. Including the man of the moment, Vybz KarteL. And me responsive boss Vybz KarteL. Killer say him next. Strengthen him up. Cause remember them time there, you have to cross over from Port. If you come from country, you have to cross over into Kingston. If you come from Portmore, you have to cross over into Kingston. You are not like now with internet there. You can't just get up and turn people right here. And me, I play them song in a prime time with the artists them with at already. We don't have to go into the mother of the story, you know me create the whole energy there. Why do you think of me in an anger management video with the whole alliance? Me are the hungry selector tonight. Me are the hungry man take side 100%. Name my next alliance selector. Boom Boom a bad selector, him rate killer, but him rate everybody. Mataran work with everybody, par with everybody. Jazzy T them keep them thing neutral, work with everybody and rate killer. And rate everybody the same way. I know some of my things said. Me a alliance straight. And me a play rhythm for alliance and we a do everything. Me a the only alliance selector. Rest of selector them are everybody them work with and align with everybody. Me a the hungry man with loyal and stick to the team. Me and Bunty travel all about, foreign everywhere. You understand what I say? So even when you don't see, you know, kill up on yourself, and about Foota Gaza, this and rare, you know, like Gaza, I love Gaza. Cartel are me youth. Cartel are me youth. And me put Cartel on road and me cross over Cartel in Kingston. Scratchy B them a CD them a make. You have to cross over in a dancehall. Elephant, you know much Elephant Man sang, my boss? And speaking of that, we are talking about this king thing here. Oh, not going like, it coming like when me hear people talk about Jordan and LeBron and skip out Kobe Bryant. Who no figure out what Elephant Man do, boy, yeah? Let me ask you a question. Who no ever measure what Elephant Man do, boy, yeah? Who no look at kiddies, who no look at youngins. Who no ever take a time out on a day and go research what Elephant Man do, boy, yeah? No disrespect. Because me not speak off of emotion or ego. I'm speaking off of logics. Vybz KarteL is huge. Vybz KarteL no do not even 1 ounce of what Elephant Man do, boy, yet. Are you no crazy? So there's a Cartel is great, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. But there's so many sectors and elements of them. There's so much more work to be done. Remember, because of street cred and them something there, we not put Sean Paul and Shaggy in the argument. Just because them and the international, but where street cred is concerned in a Jamaican hardcore road thing, them present it small. Then, somebody say in terms of what? Elephant Man has been on the biggest platforms in... Yo, I don't even want to get into it. If me have to explain that to you, then you need not to be in another conversation. Yeah. If me have to explain to you on what basis Elephant Man is one of the biggest thing, then me no need to conversate with you. You're not up on a level here, and if you go do some homework. You understand? So what I'm saying is, yes, for me, Cartel is one of the toughest lyricists we ever see. And when it comes on influence, Cartel is one of the biggest influences. We cannot take that from him. But when you talk about the king, remember the king conversation of fuckery, I'm just saying, if we are going to do that, there's so many more and so much more work for Cartel to do. There's so much more because there are so many other players in the game where do enormous things where teacher not even do yet all know. You understand what I say? We better. There's reasoning for stupidity and there's reasoning for logics. You understand what I'm saying? I said this before and I'm going to say it again. What Cartel is doing now is great. But all of that come after the prison thing and, you know, the traffic for CNN and Fox News and Cartel become more of a household name with the case and the whole attention when they on the case and it make more people go Google him music and it make more people go buy him record and that's why you see these great accolades happen while in their jail. The gold, the silver, you know what I mean? Those things happen after jail. You get me, I say? So we have to speak logic, bro. You understand me, I say? Nobody now eat or bash. When I do great. Sell gold from jail, great. But if we want to go gold, we can speak of many people. Charley Black sell gold. Cranium sell gold. Egyptian sell gold. You understand what I'm saying? So, we can measure it up. If you understand? Egyptian sell gold, that make him the king, a dancer. Charley Black sell gold, that make him the king, a dancer. No. No. So everybody have them own niche where them huge, you know. You understand? And everybody have them own sector where them are the man. You get what me I say? Cause yes, Cartel sell gold and thing. Now, when Cartel get America visa, BT I go call him, MTV I go call him, everybody I go and interview him. But before this, he has never been. When him and my father run the place, and my father alone up on BT and MTV. Make we talk the truth. Baby Sham, 106 and Park and all of them something, the Elephant Man, Rap City, all of them things. Bounty Killer, 106 and Park, Beenie Man, 106 and Park. Let's be realistic, bro. Everybody have them things, but there are so many things where Cartel not accomplished yet out there in the world. You understand what I'm saying? So nobody now bash Cartel and nobody now say Cartel not great. But you have people who dominate more than Cartel on the big stage, whole heap. You understand what I say? Remember say Cartel dominant in terms of Cartel are the street god right now. Right now, Cartel are the most, would I say, dominant in a street now, in a relevance. And him situation have to do with that. The case help him to get to that point there. It's not just music. You understand what I say? It's not just music. It's not just music. Cartel dominance we have now is not just music. It's because of atrocities. You remember when Bounty Killer lose him visa and them a lock up Killer Ray, it did make Killer more interesting. When Beenie Man get lock up I see him thing, it more interesting. When Jackie Odi get lock up, it more interesting. You're in the news now, you're not Uncle Dep on CD and playing a dance. Now you're on regular TV, 7 o'clock news, 8 o'clock news. Every time the radio news, so you bring a bill. You understand what I'm saying? Well, I'm black a person. Because we have logical reason now. I don't know. This I don't know. Whether you're Gully or whether you're Gaza or... You understand what I'm saying? We have to be realistic. When you go compare a Elephant Man, a Beenie Man, a Bounty, a Cartel, Baby Sham, and we are going to put it, say, alright, make we talk about the levels of shows that you have did. Make we talk about the platform them where you get for bring dancehall pan. Cartel don't have any more bigger platform than these people. He does not. People, Bounty Killer do Super Bowl. But this not have nothing to do with Sean Storm now. Sean Storm alright. He might try to write 2 songs for Deva, but he alright. Super Bowl. Cause you know why me I do this? A lot of people in my DM, they look young in them and ask me certain questions. Super Bowl is the biggest event on earth. Cartel don't have any BET, MTV appearances on their belt. Don't have any at all. Him sell gold since him there prison. So it prove what me I say all along, you know. Prison has done, prison is a horrible thing, you know. But it has done so much for Vybz KarteL. Zine, prison has done so much for Vybz KarteL career. I don't now understand. Cartel is 10, 15 times bigger since prison. If you analyze Cartel before prison, Cartel is not even dominant more than Busy Signal or Movad or none of them out in the world. Because someone who just in on a lane and just up on the corner. We are talking about world. We are talking about the Europe, the Africa. We can't even analyze it now. How much time Cartel go Africa? How much time Cartel go Europe? Me talk them something up on Gaza. Gaza Uncle live before Cartel come from jail. I may attack it now when Cartel there road. Moulda like if him join me live and make we have the discussion. Cause me nah give him a basket for care what. I'm speaking facts. Look how much big show keep America when Cartel have visa. Them never book him. Them didn't book him. Me nah say if you go Africa and you nah hear me, I say how much time you go versus a Ellie versus a busy signal. Where was the demand before? We just have to keep it real. Cartel is the man now. He might go all of them places there now. But he have to relax and do the work. Then we can say, yes, him have this on them belt. Yes, him do this. Yes, him do that. But how not act like him do it already? Him not do it. Him not do it yet. Him not do it yet, bro. His trajectory, because we are intelligent, you know. His trajectory is that he's going to do it. But you cannot give him it until him do it. You understand what I say? Remember when Cartel me there foreign together, man? When we are still over Marriott, over upon the conduit, him did a visa, and him did that. And him and Movado go neck and neck, and foreign did, and Movado foreign did want to see. Them never business born a Cartel, big man thing. So, who want hate me and hate me, and the truth me attack, the truth cannot hide. Cartel no. Remember, people on go pick out things where me say where them not like. But them not pick out things where me say. Cartel a charge more money than all of them now. Cartel a charge money more than Busy, Movado, Killer, Beenie, everybody. Then, Cartel have an awareness now way more than everybody. Which is expected, bro. You have bad artists, you have whole heap of hit song, and you do 13 years staying relevant, me give him props, say all of that. Him are the first artist got jail and stay relevant right through. Yeah. Because I not chase with nobody. I don't have time to trace with nobody. So, what me I say is, we have to face the reality and just admit the truth. We have to admit the truth. I want the baddest artist. I want the baddest artist. But him bigger, him become humongous. Him become humongous when the whole prison thing. You understand what I say? So, we have to face reality, dog. The man bigger since him come from prison. Before prison, Cartel could charge $1 million before prison. Let's be realistic. Cartel could charge nobody $1 million US before prison. Busy Signal charge more money than Cartel before prison. It's just the truth. But someone don't know that. Someone don't know that. Him a the man now. So now him have to do the things them. Him have to conquer BET. Him have to conquer certain show. Him have to do the UBS arena them. Him have to do the big, him get a big festival for over Europe them. When him used to do the festival them before him got jail, him have to work early. A busy close the festival them. I ask him if I lie, me I tell. That's why I tell some I like some of the journalists them in a dog. Because when them interview Cartel, them now ask him the real something them. And the reason why them now ask him the real something them is because them don't know. You understand what I say? It's like them don't know if you ask say. Because them don't know the real story them. You understand what I say? So, we have to This king thing need to stop. This king thing need to stop. Because if we are going to do king thing, there are so many elements of whether artists are fall short, and that one you're up, and the next one you fall short, and the next one you're up, and the next... Alright. Make a look on it that way. Beenie Man get a Grammy for him solo album, which is huge. You know how much Grammy certificate Killer have? But it's not him solo project. You understand what I say now? So everybody have a little dip and a little up and a little dip and a up. So me not think nobody fear war for no king. The Yellow Man is the king, that is it. Cartel the teacher are the world boss then. Me think that is a more broader title. World boss, perfect. Bounty killer, ground god. You understand what I say? Beenie Man, the doctor, or the girl them sugar, whichever one you want to work with. But this king thing, it no make sense. It no make sense. You understand what I say? Elephant Man now a humongous artist too. We go crazy. Alright. Some of them look at you what they even know. Elephant Man zero the game in a foreign, you know. When I say zero, I mean him buck the speedometer and know when the else we go, you know. Meaning, you ever drive your car and buck the gas pedal and it can't go no more. And the only thing it have to do is deflate. Because it can't go no higher. Hell, it do that already, you know, bro. Everybody asks where Yellow Man do to be the king. Go and study. Yellow Man is the first international superstar out of dancehall. The first man where make artists can make real money. Yellow Man, them are the first artists where a DJ were real rich. And get record deal and international video and them something as dancehall artists. So, me think the king thing for the king argument for done. Me think the king argument they for just quash that king argument and make everybody be great in them own right. You understand me? I say because Cartel great in them own right. See? Beenie Man great in them own right. Killer great in them own right. Elephant Man great in them own right. Busy Signal great in them own right. Movado great in them own right. Sean Paul and Shaggy no question. And them still fall top on something. Kind of street of Jamaica. Jamaica people no give Shaggy and Sean Paul no ratings. Them no give them ratings that them should have get. Because we rate people on different bases. And Sean Paul and Shaggy them are just two nice youth we sell some record, but in the street and the toughness and the thing, we don't rate them. Because we rate people who go through atrocities. Is a Jamaican thing. Jamaican rate you more when you fight, you get locked up, you go to jail, you have people in a bag of toss up, and you overcome it. When you go through drama, overcome it, Jamaican love you more. Jamaican street cred turn up. When police all and pull you and lock you up, and you have people fight, and you have people war, and you have people go at that bag of thing, Jamaica people love you more. Look for Sassy. Sassy now one of our baddest DJ. But Sassy no go through nothing. Sassy no go no jail. Sassy no in no war. Sassy no have no bag of girl. Sassy no live real family life. Sassy no walk a straight line and squeaky clean. What? Him street cred is not like a I donor. Him street cred is not like a Movado. Him street cred is not like a Cartel. Because him walk a straight line. Jamaica people not like you when you walk a straight line. When you stay out of trouble, them not like you. All you hear them a talk about, oh, why him stay so rare, them love it. Jamaica people, alright, remember you know, them know why you're dead, and them know why you stay a prison, you know. But, them like when you get in a problem and overcome it. When you overcome problem, them love you. Them love drama. So now ask me, I asking about the business in a dog. And I tell you no. The reason why the whole of them artists are so big, from the Beenie to the Bunty, to the Movada, to the Cartel, to the Tamili, a jail, a problem, a animosity, a drama. It help make you bigger. But you have to overcome it though. If you end up a jail like Zebra and not overcome it, you're not being a star boy, yeah?
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. Anyway, people, when I go longer, this no longer, you see it. Bless.